Hey there, I'm James. Tonight, we're stepping onto Return, One-Way Trip, a pixel art horror game where a college camping trip decays into something much darker. Just a quick warning, this train, it doesn't stop for the living. You wake Asaki. The campsite is silent, the fire long dead, your friends are missing. And from the depths of the woods, a distant train howls, like it's calling your name. When you step aboard, it's clear. This place isn't normal. Something lingers. A hollow shaped by guilt, haunted by memories, and regrets that refuse to stay buried. Don't be misled by the adorable visuals. They drip with unease. Shadows dance, and the lights flicker like they're breathing. The soundtrack doesn't just play, it haunts. Soft, dissonant, like something whispering just behind your ear. The gameplay is deceptively simple, but the weight creeps in, quiet and unshakable. The writing bleeds as if it was torn from a journal soaked in sorrow. Something lingers in its pages, a trauma that settles in your bones. By the end, it's no longer about salvation. It's about what comes after. This train doesn't move forward. With each turn, the dark just runs deeper. So if you crave something quiet, something slow burning and twisted with emotion, Return isn't just a game, it's a place that lingers in your mind, watching from the shadows, waiting for the moment you think you're safe. So just check your ticket. Some trips only go one way. Like, comment, subscribe if you made it back.